Unwrapping the Meaning, all about gift cards. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The term, gift card. This is a phrase you might have heard quite often, especially during the holiday season or on special occasions. So, what exactly is a gift card? Let's dive into it and unwrap the meaning together. A gift card is a prepaid stored value money card, usually issued by a retailer or bank, to be used as an alternative to cash for purchases within a particular store or related businesses. Gift cards are also given out by employers or organizations as rewards or gifts. They may also be distributed by retailers and marketers as part of a promotion strategy to entice the recipient to come in or return to the store. Gift cards are generally not redeemable for cash, and they may have an expiry date or fees. There are primarily two types of gift cards. 2.1 Store gift cards. These are gift cards issued by a specific retailer or restaurant. They can only be used at the particular brand or store that issued them. For example, a Starbucks gift card can only be used at Starbucks locations. 2.2 General Purpose gift cards. These are gift cards that can be used anywhere that accepts debit or credit cards. They are usually issued by a bank or credit card company. Examples include Visa or MasterCard gift cards. Using a gift card is very simple. You just have to 1. Check the balance. Before using, it's important to know how much money is on the card. This can usually be done on the retailer's website or at a physical store. 2. Make a purchase. Use the gift card as you would a regular debit or credit card. If the purchase amount is more than the balance on the gift card, you will need to use another form of payment to cover the difference. 3. Keep the card. Even if the balance is $0, keep the card in case you need to return any purchased items. 4.1 Benefits. Flexibility. Recipients can choose their own gifts. Convenience. Easy to purchase and give as gifts. Good for budgeting. You can control spending by choosing a specific amount. 4.2 Drawbacks. Limited use. Some cards can only be used at specific locations. Possible fees or expiry dates. Some cards have maintenance fees or expiry dates. Less personal. It might feel less personal than a hand-picked gift. And that wraps up our video on gift cards. We hope that this video has helped to clarify what gift cards are, how they work, and their pros and cons. Gift cards can be a convenient and flexible gift option, but it's important to be aware of any potential limitations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content, and feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next video.